Alright, we're at a rock store. Look at rocks. All the rocks. Like Dwayne, the rock. The animals.
They had another shop when we decided to move to this because it was bigger and we run animals.
These look like planets. The chess sets. Oh, I want one. Hi everybody, had a nice good about hour workout. Did some biceps and shoulder. Feeling the pump right now. Currently walking back to the house. Shower and eat some breakfast. So, see ya.
That was it?
Yep.
You can?
I think you pulled it. I don't think that was recoil. Whoa. I forgot about the tissue paper in the front.
Oh, see ya.
Oh, this is day 3. Didn't really record much of yesterday. To be honest, I just didn't feel like it. Wasn't in the mood. But welcome to the gym today. Again. Don't really feel like going. I don't even know when I'm gonna work out yet. But we're gonna go. I'm gonna do some chest and back, maybe. I don't know. I'll probably just do chest and triceps. But yeah, I think we're ready to go thrifting and go to some other like record stores and stuff like that today. That's about it. But can we talk about this view? God damn! Look at that. That's just beautiful right there. Just beautiful. So, Alright, I'm gonna go work out. Depending on how busy it is in there, I might record. But I don't know. So. Not gonna lie. Destroyed my chest and my triceps. But just walking back to the house now and got a shower, eat some breakfast, and I just get ready for the stores and stuff like that. So, see you later. Alright, hello everybody. Currently walking to the park. I'm gonna meet up with some family. And then after this, we're gonna go thrifting and to the record store, which I'm really excited about. Hopefully I find some Mac Miller albums or even some Tyler the Creator albums. But sorry, I just need to take a moment to look at this. So I know I mentioned this not too long ago, but gosh, I cannot get over this. I legit, it's just so beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna head to the park, so I'll see you guys when we go to the store. Manny, what did you get from the store?
Giant cookie.
I suggest you go to here if you're in Utah. It's delicious. So we just got back from thrifting and a record store. I got 2 albums. I got the Mac Miller Kids and I got Flower Boy by Tyler. I got this Vox shirt, it was $3. I got this pullover, I think it was like $2. And I got these freaking awesome cargo jeans for like $5. That's pretty much it that I got. I think my sister got a scooter and some other stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, that's it for today's vlog. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.